की है, लेकिन जो स्ट्रिंग ऑफ पर्ल्स है जो अक्रॉस द पैसिफिक एंड द ओशन साइड है, उसका इंडिया के ऊपर कोई इम्पैक्ट होगा या इंडिया शुड वरी अबाउट इट, या उसका कोई मैकेनिज्म है जो कुछ सोचा हुआ है फॉर द सिक्योरिटी ऑफ आवर कंट्री?
विशाल जी, इट इज़ अ कॉम्पिटिटिव वर्ल्ड. सो आप बिजनेस में हैं, अगर आपका कॉम्पिटिटर आपके बगल में कुछ कर रहा हो, विल यू नॉट पे अटेंशन?
वी हैव टू.
यू हैव टू पे अटेंशन.
यस. यस.
यू विल से मेरे ऊपर क्या इम्पैक्ट होगा, यू विल से मेरा मार्केट शेयर क्या होगा.
सही
होगा ना.
सही बात है.
सो लुक एट इट politically, strategically. For us to see these kinds of development, of course we have to take it seriously. But unfortunately, जब ये हो रहा था, people did not, and frankly we are paying the price of it. उस टाइम जो है, मैं 2007, 8, 6, 7, 8 की बात कर रहा हूँ. When this started, people actually at that time said, नहीं, ये सब, you know, we are friends with everybody. We can live with everything. So we did not take it with the way, respond the way we have to. So here is my point. See, that era where there was actually, and मैं सच कहूँ, it was done for ideological reasons. कि भाई हमें दूसरों का मुकाबला, खासकर where China was concerned. The view of China was very different in the political circles of the government. So today I would say, when I say that we should compete in global workplace, I also feel India can compete in the neighborhood. हम में वो क्षमता है, हम में वो competitiveness है. हमने दिखाया है that even in our neighborhood today, if you look कि अगर आप projects देखें, अगर आप trade देखें, even countries जहाँ शुरुआत में कोई politics में कुछ volatility होती है, ultimately they recognize that look, this is our biggest neighbor, this is a country with whom much going. So they come and deal with you, but they will deal with you only if you have that resolve and that planning. You have that relationship at a very basic level with them. So where our neighborhood is concerned, आपने string of pearls के बारे में कहा, I would say all over our neighborhood we have to be ready to compete. हम किसी से कम नहीं है. We have that ability. And I feel wherever we have tried to do that, we have been successful.